What's up? This is my actual first dive of 2023 here in the Menominee River. People all up in the catwalk, they're all fishing. It's a nice day, about 56 degrees. I need to get in the water.
That's okay. Alright. Yeah. Hey.
Nothing much so far. We'll go to a different spot. You catch any fish tonight?
Yeah, but soon.
You been here for a while?
Yep.
Yeah.
After work, 3:30.
How many lures do you lose?
0 this year.
Nice. That's pretty good.
Yep.
What's your biggest competition down here? The rocks?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
Rocks.
Your fishing buddies aren't out fishing you?
Nope.
That's good.
Nope. Not a chance.
Well, when do you think it's going to be prime time here?
6:30.
6:30 tonight?
Yep.
So this whole bridge will fill up.
Oh yeah, by 5 o'clock.
All right, nice meeting you, man.
You too.
Thanks. I'm under the bridge now on Marinette side. I'm going to come out here, check this area out. It's pretty shallow, but I think there's some lures in here.
Hello, Alright. Hold on. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, come here. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Go. Howdy. I think that's all she wrote. Not finding too much today. Time to get out. It's a decent dive today. Didn't get too many lures, but I did get a lot of trash. Got all this line off the banks here, plastic. Got a couple lures here. Decent find, a little bit of lead. Banks are a little bit dirty, but not too bad right now. It'll get a lot worse. Fun dive, can't wait to come back.